In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Zoho WorkDrive, whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your workspace. Setting up a group can streamline your collaboration efforts significantly. Let's walk through this process together. First things first, launch Zoho WorkDrive and locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Once there, click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, choose the option that says Team Details. This is your starting point for managing everything team-related within WorkDrive. Now, when you first enter the Team Details section, you'll notice it defaults to the Members tab. But since we're focused on creating a group today, you'll want to switch tabs. Look above and find the tab labeled Groups and give it a click. This is where all your group management will happen. Once you're in the Groups tab, take note of the Plus Groups button, which is situated in the top right corner. Clicking this will take you to the form where you can start building your group. Here, you'll see fields to enter a group name. This is important, of course, because it's how your team members will recognize the group. While a group name is essential, providing a description is optional but highly recommended. A good description helps illustrate the purpose of the group and can clarify its functionality and membership expectations for current and future members. After setting up your group's basic identity, it's time to populate it with members. You'll need to enter the name or email of each person you want to add to the group. Just type them in, and the system will usually auto-suggest contacts for you. Now, an essential aspect to consider here is the role assignment for each member. Select from either the Group Admin or Group Member options. A Group Admin enjoys more control over the group's settings. They can edit group information, manage membership, and even change roles. On the other hand, a Group Member has limited access. They can view the list of members, but won't have the administrative privileges. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and are satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click the Create button. By doing this, you've successfully formed a new group. You can now manage and supervise your newly created group through the Team section under the Groups tab, giving you a centralized place to ensure everything is running as expected. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating a group in Zoho WorkDrive. Establishing groups makes collaboration easier and more organized, allowing you to focus on what really matters, achieving your team goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.